Hey there, kids! Get ready for a heartwarming adventure with Phoebe and Timmy, our kindness superheroes. In today's video, they discover the incredible power of their kindness seeds. Join them as they spread joy, share smiles, and learn a valuable lesson from the Bible about how their small acts of kindness create a ripple effect of love and happiness. So, buckle up for a fun-filled ride in of act of kindness.
Hi, Timmy. Did you know that even small acts of kindness can make a big difference?
Really? Like what?
Come on. Let's go in the store and I'll show you. Hello, Miss, can I help you carry your groceries?
Wow. Thank you. I really appreciate your help. I am so tired today.
Miss, I put your groceries in the back seat. Please drive safe. And I hope you get some rest. Have a blessed day.
Thank you so much. You are such a sweet girl and a blessing to me today. By showing me an act of kindness. May God bless you. And keep you, may His face shine upon you and be gracious to you.
Thank you for your prayer. Goodbye.
That's nice. But how does it make a big difference?
The ripple effect. When we show kindness, it creates a ripple effect. Others might start being kind too.
Like a good deed wave.
Yes. Sorta, Timmy. It's like planting special seeds. In the Bible in Galatians 6 verse 9 it says, "And let us not grow weary while doing good. For in due season we shall reap if we do not lose heart." So, whatever seeds we plant, we'll eventually see them grow into something. We are sowing seeds of kindness. It is like God telling us if we plant good seeds, we'll see good things happen. So, when you are kind to someone, it is starting a chain reaction.
And it spreads happiness like sunshine. I love that idea. Jesus told us to treat others how we want to be treated. So, if we are kind, others will be kind to us too.
Yes, Timmy, and the more kindness we spread, the more God's love we share. Let's go home. I came to get some things from the store for my mother so she can cook dinner.
Okay, let's go. I don't want to be late for dinner either. I want to be a kindness superhero. Let's spread this kindness and make the world a happier place.
We can all be kindness superheroes by doing little acts of kindness every day. Have a good day. Timmy, see you tomorrow.
Bye, Phoebe. Thank you for sharing a lesson with me today. I can't wait to learn more tomorrow. Goodbye.
Great. And you can sow your act of kindness then. Goodbye.
Wow. I am so glad I met a kind girl today. That really made my day. And I will forever be grateful. I will also sow a seed of kindness with someone, so they can experience the love of God through me. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
As we wrap up this incredible story with Phoebe and Timmy's act of kindness, we've witnessed their kindness seeds spreading joy and warmth. Remember, kids, each small act of kindness can create a ripple effect that brightens the world around us. So, let's be like Phoebe and Timmy, our kindness superheroes, and continue to sow seeds of love and compassion. Join us next time for more heartwarming tales on small beginnings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to spread the love. Until next time, let kindness shine bright in your hearts.